here. It is time. We're at Sun City Harley and I'm about to pick the bike up and see what numbers we got out of it and take it for a ride. I'm fucking pumped. All right, let's get inside. There she is. Little 103's gone. Now it's a 110 and she'll be lumpy as hell. New cleaner and everything on it. Let's go get the keys. I'm gonna be in here. You do the honours, man. Start him up.
Alright, bud. Come closer with that.
Oh, yep. Alright, so this is the first ride after the stage 5 kit's just been fitted and it's all dyno tuned, ready to go. This thing sounds like a fucking animal, but check this out. Getting tight. Right, here we go. We've got to warm her up a little bit. Holy fucking hell! Holy shit! Fucking hell, you gotta hang on to it. Oh my fucking god! It is an animal. This can't be my bike. This thing wants to fucking kill people. Oh my god. It just sounds like a fucking serial killer on 2 wheels. I seriously cannot begin to describe how this thing feels. If you just fucking roll it on too hard, it just smokes the fucking tyre. Oh my god, get out of my fucking way, cars. We need to play. Man, it is so much louder. I suppose high compression will do that to you, but listen to that. Oh my god, that'll put a horn on a jellyfish. I hope the camera is doing this justice. I fucking really do. It's probably not, so you're gonna have to take my word for it, but holy fucking shitballs. Oh, get out of my way, cars. This traffic thing is gonna do my head in. Holy fucking hell. Well, that's where Redline is, if anyone was watching. That's how you run a new engine in, isn't it? So I don't know if you've noticed when I did that little walk around when we picked it up, the chrome part that used to say Wide Glide fell off on the test ride, and so did the Screaming Eagle badge off my new heavy breather. They're getting me another one. Man, if you have insomnia or, you know, trouble sleeping at night, just get yourself one of these, put this camshaft in it, and listen to that. It'll just rock you to sleep. Oh my god, that is just music to my fucking ears. Man, I can't thank the guys at Sun City Harley enough. That is just amazing. Mark and Kerry, Andrew Eade in service, Cam in parts, and Dan for doing all the work and tuning it. Man, thank you guys so much. You don't know how much I'm loving this rocket. My fuel bill's gonna go through the fucking roof. I'm just gonna sit at home and let it idle and drink beer and look at it. Be like my trophy bike. So Dan was saying when he tuned it, you can see on the dyno chart, which I should put on the screen and show you, I think it was 108 horsepower and 124 foot-pound of torque at the wheel. Yes. So I've made it onto the Wall of Fame thing for the 100 Club at Sun City, and they give me a shirt and everything. I'll put the photo up of that. Those guys didn't have to do that, but I appreciate it. Do you see that dude sitting in his chair having a beer? I wave to him every day. What a champion. Holy shit. I'm gonna be eating fucking R1s and Hayabusas for breakfast. I just gotta try not to lose my license. Man, this thing is just so good. Hey dog. Hey puppy. I gotta admit, man, I was pretty nervous when I was wheeling out of that driveway. I was sweating like Mike Tyson at a spelling bee. Man, I didn't know what to expect, but holy shit, this thing is quick now. I'm super pumped, super happy with the result. I can't wait to get a few thousand Ks on it, man. Holy shit. Oh yeah, another note, I cracked 100 subscribers, so I just wanted to say thanks guys, appreciate that support. Where's this go? We'll go down here. See if we can scare some old grannies or small children. Fucking hell. Oh man. Well man, going from 75 horsepower to 108, and I don't know what my torque was, but I'm guessing it was probably around 80 or 85 maybe, to 120 fucking 4. Man, I cannot begin to describe how different this bike feels. Like, the power just comes on and doesn't fucking stop until you got to change gears. It's going to take some practice figuring out. It doesn't sort of drop off, so you don't really know when you're supposed to change. I suppose you'll get used to it, but yeah, fuck, it's hard to explain, but just trust me, this thing is just fucking crazy. And the sound, man, the GoPro won't be doing it justice, but man, if any of you are in Townsville and you want to hear this thing in person, hit me up and I'll tell you where I'm going to be, and we'll meet up and you can have a listen, or you're not going to ride it, but get fucked. Oh well, that'll do. I'm just going to keep riding around until this smile wears off, so I'll see you in a couple of years, I suppose. But I'm pretty sure this video deserves at least a like, and if I haven't got a subscribe out of you yet, come on, hook a brother up, press that button. No love from the adventure bike. But yeah, hit the bell icon so you get a notification when I chuck a new video up. But alright guys, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Thanks again, Harley, I love you guys. Righto, I'll catch you next time, mate. See ya.